If you want to start up your YouTube channel or you just want to vlog, then this video is for you. Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Chinny and it's so nice to have you here. You're welcome to the channel. Please do stay and subscribe before you leave. All right, so welcome guys to another video, and in this video it's quite different. My setup, everything is different, you guys. I'm filming outside the house, so I'm filming in the garden, as you can see. So it's all green and me going on here. But yeah, the sun is actually it's a lot. I didn't expect it to be this bad, but nevertheless I have my sunscreen on, so I'm protected for a little while. I'm just going to do this quickly and then run back in. Okay, so before we get into the main video, I just wanted to give you guys updates on my face so far, the treatment journey so far. So you guys, if you haven't watched the last two vlogs, do that. Okay, quite fun, quite interesting and very detailed. So essentially this is what my face looks like right now. It's doing very well. I don't have any makeup on whatsoever. I have mascara of course, and then my lip gloss, but then I don't have foundation, powder, nothing. This is my face. Okay, so this is what we're looking like right now. There's actually a lot of improvements and I'm loving it. All right, so in this video I'm going to be unboxing something I got a new camera and I want to be unboxing it here. So I'm so excited about it. So I'm going to be unboxing this camera in front of you. Before I bought this camera, I had to do a lot of research. So I was online 24/7 researching, of course on YouTube, so checking for the features of the camera, and then I searched for best vlogging cameras, cameras that are best for vlogging and sit down videos. But I had specifications. I wanted something in particular, and to be honest with you guys, I was going for two features which made me to purchase this camera. Okay, the first feature being size. I have a thing for very small cameras. They're just very handy and I really love them. So I was looking for a small camera and a camera that comes with a good lens that I don't have to detach. So I didn't want a detachable lens for my camera. So those were the two specifications I used to search for a camera. Of course the quality is paramount, but the first things I was looking out for were the size and the lens. Okay, so I'm so excited about this camera. So I was saying videos like these are very helpful, and you guys know I'm all about helping you guys here. Okay, I already knew about this camera, but I just wanted to know just how good it was. And when I searched certain terms and different reviews, anyway, I made up my mind. I'm like, okay, yeah, I'm getting you. Anyway, so I'm going to be unboxing the SONY ZV1 camera I got. This is actually a huge transitioning for me because I've always used Canon cameras. I started my channel with I started my channel with my phone, but then I now transitioned into a camera, and my first ever camera was the Canon M50. Then I used the Canon EOS R5, and then now I'm moving to the SONY ZV1. You guys, I'm so excited. If you want to know the price of the camera, how much I got it for, then just check the description box. I'll have it there. Yeah, so do check that out if you want to know how much this camera cost. Okay, so I got this camera from, I really wasn't going to show you guys where I got it from because it's not sponsored. It's not sponsored, but nevertheless this video is to help you guys. Of course, if you want to start up your channel, if you want to start up your YouTube channel, or you just want to vlog, then this video is for you. Okay, if you need a camera to start up your channel, a tiny compact camera to start up your channel or to vlog, then this video is for you. So I got this from Austin 7070. It's probably not clear on the bag here, guys. Can you see how tiny? Like, look, I'm literally flinging it with one finger. That's tell you guys just how tiny this camera is. All right, so let's get out the camera. Okay, so this is the camera, you guys. What makes me happy is just how light it feels, guys. This feels so light. It feels so light. I'm so excited about it. Let's open this up. Okay. All right, so all of these are the manuals. In here is the camera and the other accessories it comes with, but let's take out the camera first. Okay, so this is the camera, you guys. It's so tiny. I just want to show you guys the size compared to my phone. This is it. It's literally so tiny. This is the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and this is my Sony ZV1 camera. I'm sorry, what? I'm sorry, what? I'll do a picture on the screen comparing the size of my Canon M50. All right, but for now, I just wanted to show you guys how tiny it is using my phone. So this is it. It's beautiful. Now guys, I'm going to tell you guys some things that I found out about this camera that I wasn't so impressed with, but you know, I'm not disappointed entirely. Okay, I can still use it. First thing is, when you open up the camera, the flip screen is by the side, and I don't know, that's how all of my cameras are actually. They are all flipped to the side. Okay, but I really wanted a flip up camera because it's just, I don't know, it's better, but it's not bad. I don't regret it. It's just like doing the usual with the Canon cameras I've already started using. Okay, but guys, this is the lens. This is the lens. It comes with this lens. This cannot be detached, and it doesn't need another lens to be attached to it. How beautiful. Like, isn't that just beautiful? I love that. It's so compact, you guys. I could actually put this into my bag, like throw it in my bag, and I'm good to go. It's literally, my palms are bigger. It's so tiny, and I love it so much. It has the on and off button. It has the settings button. One other thing I heard about this camera is that it's not touch screen. All of my cameras have been touch screen, but I really don't mind. That's not a problem for me. I don't mind using the buttons to navigate. But yes, oh, another thing I love about this camera, you guys, from the reviews, is that I'm sure you're wondering why I haven't turned on the camera. Okay, so I haven't charged the battery just yet. I haven't charged it yet. I've been lazy about it, to be honest. So I can't turn this on because the battery isn't charged yet, and I was advised to charge the battery first before I turn it on. So I'm so sorry, my bad, you guys. All right, so from the reviews, I heard that the focus is amazing. So literally, if you want to have like the whole blurry background effect, the only thing you have to do is to press this button on the top of it, and then you have that. It's just beautiful. But therefore, all the cameras I've used, you have to like get very good lenses that can focus on the main object and then blur the rest of the background to the best of its abilities. But then this one just needs a click on the button and we're good to go. How amazing is that? Anyway, so those are the buttons here and some other things I haven't bothered to look at. The battery goes in here, as well as the SD card. Should I just try and put in the battery? Let me just do that. I haven't charged it, but let me just do that. This is the battery here. Okay, and it comes with this. Ooh, okay, it comes with this cat, what's this thing called? Cat fur. Anyway, the furry thing. When you attach this to the camera, let me see how that is done. How is it done though? All right, so attaching this to the camera is going to help with background noise, filter every background noise going on in the environment, and just give, you know, most of the main character's voice. So that is what this is for. I'll put the name on the screen. I just can't remember what it's called now, but that's what it's for. There's also a space for microphones. There's a microphone space and HDMI space here. And what's this for? I don't know, maybe just, oh yeah, the charging ports. Guys, another thing I love about this camera is the fact that you could charge it. Like, you could charge it like a phone. For all of my cameras, the Canon cameras I've used, I always like have to take the battery out and then, you know, charge the battery alone. But then for this one, you could actually charge it, like charge the battery while it's in the camera. Isn't that just beautiful? It's beautiful. But I also heard that the battery doesn't last long, so it's advisable to get 2 or more batteries to use as spares. So then you have to get a battery charger to charge your spare batteries and then just use it when the one inside the camera is dead. I hope I made sense. That was a lot of English. Let's just put this in and see how that goes. Okay, so I put the battery in just now. Let's turn this on. I want you guys to see the lens protruding from the camera and how it goes back in. So this is on. Do you guys see that? It just protruded. Okay, so oh my god, it's so clear. Oh, okay, so I'm going to turn this off. You guys will see the lens go back in. Look, cool, right? It's such a flex to have like a camera that you don't have to detach its lens or attach another lens to it. It's just so beautiful. Of course, I haven't tried it out yet, but I'm going to do that. I'm going to film something with this probably tomorrow, and then I would definitely let you guys know if it's the camera I'm using tomorrow. I'll let you guys know in the video. I have to turn this off now and take out the battery because, like I said, I haven't charged this yet, so I would like to charge it first before I begin to use it. The grip isn't as strong, okay, so if you have long nails, it's probably like very dangerous, but then I mean, it's grippable, just not something you want to mess around with when you're having the longest of nails. Okay, so that's about it. I just really love the camera so much. It's very tiny, it's very compact, and it's so light, you guys. It's so light. I love it so much. It's such a beautiful purchase. It's a good buy. Yeah, it's a good buy. So there are a lot of reviews on this camera on the internet, on YouTube, of course. If you guys would like links to videos that reviewed the camera, I think I'll put like 2 or more in the description box. Or better still, you could just search for the camera reviews on YouTube. On the internet, normally you definitely get all the reviews you need. So just in case you need to buy a startup camera currently for your YouTube channel or for your vlogging, like everyday vlogging, then this is very good. If you are a traveler, you love to travel, this is perfect. Like, yeah, this is perfect. It's so tiny, so compact, so you don't have to take much with you. It's literally very easy to use. Then this video is for you. I hope I was able to help you. At least I will put links to, you know, videos you could watch comparing the cameras or telling you guys the features of the camera in the description box, so do check that out. I'll also leave the price in the description box. What else? Yeah, I guess that's it. All right, thank you so much, you guys, for watching. I love you all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.